Hey guys, another great day here in New Jersey. Time to get my second app fertilizer down. Stick around and I'll show you what I'm up to today. Hey guys, it's Russ. Welcome back to Lawn Journeys. Nice to have you. If you haven't already done it, please subscribe. Like to follow you also. This way I know who's interested, and I'd like to reciprocate back with the subscription. In any case, got my Earthways 2600 A Plus outfitted and ready to go with my new Lawn Journey sticker, my thrower down from Alan Hain, and a next fertility sticker, because I am also running those liquid products this year. As I've discussed before, one of my favorite fertilizers over the last couple of years is PGF Complete, which is an Anderson's product. It's done a phenomenal job on my lawn. I think it's like 8% nitrogen, so it's not a real heavy hitter. And I was feeding my lawn probably every 4 to 5 weeks last summer. It turned a nice dark green, and I was very happy with the results. But you know what's going on now is a little hard to get the stuff out of Anderson's, and I did get 3, I think 18-pound bags, which I have. But this is since I've done my starter fertilizer approximately 5 weeks ago, I haven't hit the lawn with any nitrogen, and I do notice it's starting to look a little weak, so it's time to get going. So what I selected this time, first time out, from the Yard Mastery line, which I bought through the Lawn Care Nuts website, or you can go to the Yard Mastery website. I'm doing the carbon-based lawn fertilizer known as CX DIY, which is obviously sold to the homeowners. It's a 2404. You may recall I had done a soil test. I was really low on phosphorus, so my soil correction was I think it was a 1624. I can't remember what the last number was. I'll post it up here. But anyway, I threw that down about 5 weeks ago. So probably not going to be doing a lot of phosphorus the rest of the season. There is some in the PGF Complete product. And I'm also, like I said, I don't know if I'm going to be putting that down again. This 24, I'm expecting a big burst of growth. It's early spring. There are some other Yard Mastery products that are based on this fertilizer with a little lower nitrogen rate. I'll probably switch to that as we get through the season. So the plan for today is to apply CX at the bag rated amount, which is 3 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. As I've said, I have approximately 8,700 square feet. So 3,300 square feet times 3 pounds per 1,000 is approximately, I need approximately 10 pounds. So this just weighed out at 11.5, and I know I had tared this earlier. I know the bucket is 1.5. So theoretically, this should be enough to cover my first zone. Okay guys, welcome back to Lawn Journeys, part 2 of today's segment. So we're going to go with the 002 Microgreen. Today this is my first application of this from the Next BioStim pack, which I purchased through the Lawn Care Nut site. It's primarily 2% potash. It has traces of magnesium, sulfur, copper, 3% iron, manganese, and zinc. This is recommended for lawns at 1 to 2 gallons per acre. I'm going to be applying this at the 3 ounce per 1,000 with all the other products that folks have been recommending, because I am going to do this on a routine basis. I'm pretty much spraying something out of the stem pack every week, or I'll combine 2. This particular product, I believe I read in the packaging, should be sprayed by itself. I think it may be a little thicker. So my first section is 3,400 square feet, so I'm going to be going 10 ounces. It's a good number. Like I said, I've already shooken it up. Let me stop it. Okay, we cracked this open. I'm going to be going 10 ounces, which is approximately half full. Pouring out the goodness. It's definitely a thicker consistency. And that's at 9 ounces, so I'm going to add another ounce. Microgreene. And start spraying the goodness. Okay, team, it was a good day today. I got my second application of fertilizer down, a little nitrogen. I used the Carbonex CX, spread well in the earth waste spreader on the 17.5 setting, which was recommended on the bag. I weighed it out this time. I spread it on that setting, and I have to say it was pretty close. I actually had a little tiny bit left in the hopper after I did each of my zones. So good call on that. Yard mastery, folks. I'm very happy with that. Also did my first application of Next Microgreene. That's the 002. Has some additional iron in it. I had iron in my fertilizer. So let's see if we can get this thing to green up again this week. It's starting to look a little peaked since my last fertilization, which was 5 weeks ago, which was part of my soil correction. I wanted to get some ferb down last weekend, but I knew on Monday and Tuesday in the area where I am, we were going to be, we actually got close to 2 inches of rain. So I don't like putting product down and wasting it. So in any case, got those two things done. I have a couple plants I want to put in today. I'm going to continue with the next applications probably every weekend. If the weather's good, I'll spray one product. If I miss a week due to bad weather, I'll combine the two. Microgreene definitely looked like it was a little bit thicker. I don't think I could combine it successfully in the sprayer, the Ortho dial and spray. I do have these Amazon bottles. I bought them from Amazon. I think they're maybe they were put out through Anderson. They're 20-to-1 dilution rate, and I'm going to show you one of those bottles in a minute. Or I'm going to show you one of those bottles here. I haven't tried them yet. You know, I have been a super juicer in the past. Again, it's probably a lot of micros in those applications. It's expensive. I don't really think I'm going to buy it this year. I'm going to go with the next products. But I do have those spray bottles, which I bought, and I haven't finished. I haven't never used them, I should say. All right, so anyway, to round out this week, I thank everyone for joining me on my lawn journey. If you haven't liked the channel, please do so now. Get notified. Let me know, you know, how you guys are applying some of the next products. Everyone seems to be using the dial and spray. I like it. Like I said last time, it's good, but I'm not totally sold on it. I liked my old one a little better. This new one is really hard to screw the cup on the bottom. In fact, I actually had a spill when I was putting it on earlier. Okay guys, so that's it for this week. So today I got my second fertilizer application down using the CX product. I did my first application of Microgreene. Again, get out there, get it done. There's no time like the present. We're all home. We have extra time. We're not commuting. So get those projects rocking and rolling. And see you guys next time. Bye.